Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to Plain Truth. I understand, and this is a very touchy one, that although, according to the American Free Press, although most Americans don't know it, it became an issue of a news, and it's a part of a news blackout. On January 26th of this year, Obama's eligibility to be president was finally heard by a lawfully seated state judge in Atlanta, Georgia. Administrative Judge Michael M-A-L-I-H-I will render his decision sometime in February as to what he will recommend for the Secretary of State of Georgia to do, in whose hands the final decision lies. In other words, somewhere in the middle of February, this judge from Georgia will render his decision and say that Obama could appear on the Georgia ballots. And they said, well, wait a second, he's a president. He doesn't have to show up for all these hearings. Well, if you don't appear and you don't show that you are an American citizen, and if you don't have all these different other qualifications, how do we know he says he is who he says he is? So apparently this judge is going to make a big decision about all of this. And this will be interesting to find out of what's going to happen. And it is right now in the middle of February right now. So all these different cases, what they could have done was they could have just said, the judge, the defense, Obama and his lawyer Jablonski said, no, we're not even going to say anything. This is so silly. We're not even going to testify. And the two other lawyers that were against that could have gone in there and claimed victory, but they didn't do that. They were clever enough to know that they wanted to testify and have their saying, their words put into effect. That since the father of Obama is not an American citizen, Obama cannot be president of the United States. You have to have two parents that are American citizens before you can be president of the United States. And so that's what's going to be on. And if it's finally decided in court, it'd be kind of interesting to see what's going to happen. Or is it going to be all swept underneath the rug, as they say in the olden days? Thank you very much for watching.